Click on the link below to get discount. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an impressive addition to the world of adult folding bikes, combining portability, performance, and style in a way that caters to both casual riders and commuting enthusiasts. Weighing in at just under 50 pounds, this electric bike strikes an admirable balance between being lightweight enough to carry yet sturdy enough to handle a variety of terrains. One of the standout features of the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is its folding mechanism. The bike folds down easily, making it a fantastic choice for those with limited storage space or those who need to transport their bike in a car or on public transportation. The quick-release mechanisms on the frame and handlebars allow for a seamless transition from a full-sized bike to a compact form, which can be accomplished in mere seconds. This feature is particularly appealing for urban dwellers who may need to stow their bike in a small apartment or office. The design of the bike is sleek and modern, with a choice of colors that appeals to a wide range of users. The sturdy aluminum frame feels robust and is complemented by a clean, minimalist aesthetic. The attention to detail in the design, such as integrated lights and a removable battery, adds to the overall functionality while maintaining a stylish appearance. With a 500W motor, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 offers impressive power levels, allowing riders to tackle hills and rough terrain with ease. The bike provides a top speed of 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode, which can make commuting quicker and more enjoyable. Riders can choose between 3 different levels of pedal assistance, giving them control over how much effort they want to exert. For those who prefer a more traditional cycling experience, the bike can also be ridden without assistance, making it versatile for different riding preferences. The bike comes equipped with a 48V12 8Ah lithium-ion battery that provides an excellent range. Depending on factors such as rider weight and terrain, users can expect anywhere from 25 to 50 miles on a single charge. This impressive range makes it practical for longer commutes or leisurely rides without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery is also removable, which means it can be charged separately from the bike, adding to the convenience factor for users who may want to charge it at work or home. Riding comfort is another area where the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 excels. It features a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing for a customized fit that can accommodate various heights and preferences. The bike is equipped with front suspension which absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven surfaces, adding to the overall comfort during rides. Additionally, the 20-inch puncture-resistant tires provide good traction and stability, making the bike suitable for both city streets and more rugged paths. Braking performance is crucial for any bike, and the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 does not disappoint. It features front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. This feature instills confidence in riders, especially when navigating busy urban environments or descending steep hills. Furthermore, the bike's assembly process is relatively straightforward, with most users reporting that they were able to get their bike ready to ride within an hour. The included tools and clear instructions help simplify the setup process, making it accessible even for those who may not be mechanically inclined. However, like any product, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is not without its downsides. Some users have noted that the weight of the bike, while manageable, can be a bit cumbersome when lifting it onto public transport or storing it in tight spaces. Additionally, while the bike comes with a decent range of accessories, such as a rear rack and fenders, some users might wish for more options or higher quality components in certain areas. In summary, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is a formidable entry in the adult folding bike market. Its combination of portability, robust power, and user-friendly features makes it a